Vietnam continues to attract foreign investors, with its strong economic growth and strategic position in Southeast Asia. But one of the most critical decisions you will make is not where to invest, it is how you structure your investment. Choosing the wrong business structure in Vietnam can lead to licensing delays, tax inefficiencies, limited control, and even regulatory risks. Understanding your options from the beginning is essential. In Vietnam, business structure is not just a legal formality. It directly impacts foreign ownership limits, licensing requirements, tax obligations, and operational flexibility. Different structures are treated differently under Vietnam investment law and enterprise law. What works for one investor may not work for another. That is why structure should be aligned with your business model and long-term strategy. The most common structure for foreign investors is a 100% foreign-owned company. This allows full ownership and control over business operations. It is suitable for many service-based industries such as consulting, and trading, depending on market access conditions. However, this structure requires obtaining both an investment registration certificate and an enterprise registration certificate. It also involves stricter compliance and licensing procedures. For investors who want full control, this is often the preferred option. In sectors where foreign ownership is restricted, a joint venture may be required. This involves partnering with a Vietnamese individual or company. A joint venture can provide local market knowledge, existing networks, and faster market entry. However, it also introduces shared control. Clear agreements on governance, profit distribution, and exit mechanisms are critical. Without proper structuring, disputes in joint ventures can be difficult to resolve. A representative office is a low-cost entry option for foreign companies. However, it is important to understand its limitations. A representative office cannot conduct profit-generating activities. It can only perform market research, liaison functions, and brand promotion. This structure is suitable for companies exploring the Vietnam market before making a full investment. A branch office allows a foreign company to conduct commercial activities in Vietnam. However, this structure is only available in certain sectors, such as banking, legal services, and some trading activities. Unlike a subsidiary, a branch is not a separate legal entity. The parent company is fully responsible for its obligations. This structure may be suitable for specific regulated industries. A business cooperation contract, or BCC, is a contractual arrangement without forming a legal entity. It allows foreign investors to cooperate with Vietnamese partners to conduct business activities and share profits. This structure is often used in sectors like telecommunications, energy, or large infrastructure projects. While flexible, BCCs require careful drafting to manage rights, obligations, and risk allocation. Some foreign investors consider using nominee structures to bypass foreign ownership restrictions. However, this approach carries significant legal risks. Under Vietnam law, the registered shareholder is recognized as the legal owner. This means your control may not be enforceable if disputes arise. While it may seem like a shortcut, it can create long-term vulnerability. There is no one-size-fits-all answer. The best business structure in Vietnam depends on several factors. Your industry, investment size, need for control, regulatory restrictions, and long-term goals all play a role. What matters is aligning your structure with both legal requirements and business strategy. Making this decision early can save significant time and cost later. Many investors choose a structure based only on speed or cost. Others rely on informal advice without fully understanding legal implications. Some underestimate licensing requirements or overestimate their ability to control operations through contracts alone. These mistakes can lead to delays, restructuring, or even loss of control. At LTS Law, we help foreign investors evaluate and select the most suitable business structure in Vietnam. We analyze your business model, regulatory conditions, and risk factors. Our goal is to ensure your structure is compliant, efficient, and aligned with your long-term objectives. Entering the Vietnam market offers significant opportunities, but success starts with the right structure. Before you invest, take the time to understand your options and the legal framework behind them. Visit lts.com.vn to consult with our legal team and build your investment in Vietnam on a solid foundation.